Alright you guys, today I'm out here grunt fishing with my wife. Let's see what we can get into out here. We're at Homestead Bayfront Park. Alright, let's see if we can catch one right quick. There we go. There it goes. There it goes. Oh, that was a good hit. This is a good one right here, center. Oh yeah, look at this one. What? It's a snapper. Wow, look at that. Center's about to get one. Tighten up your line a little bit. Oh, you got him. Let's see what she got. How big it is. Oh, it's a little one. What is it?
Oh, man.
What is it? Let me see. Bring it up here. Oh, wow. That's our fish for today. Oh, center got a good one right there. Oh, it's a little baby.
My goodness, the way
They hit hard, right, for a little fish?
Yeah. Do you believe I got a big one, no?
Here we go. Yeah. Oh, bring him up, bring him up. Oh, Iron, he got away.
Again?
Here we go, here we go, here we go. He's got it. Oh, man, this is a good one. Oh, no, he's a little baby. Now they fight hard, right? I think you got a big one and it turns out to be a little thing. Oh, Santa just got a good one here. Yeah, it looks big enough. Yeah, let's see. Oh, it's a white grunt. That's a little baby thing.
Yeah. What time is it, Erin? No, you gotta wait till 10.
That's still a good catch.
Yeah.
All right, well, Sandra just caught a...
What is it?
I forgot what you call these fish. A parrotfish. How nice that is. Look at that. That's a beautiful fish. Nice job. That's your first parrotfish ever, right?
Yeah.
Look at the beak on that thing. He's got a big beak. Very beautiful. We're going to let him go. All right?
Oh, yeah.
All right. You hear that? I think I got a big shark or a big stingray. Do me a favor, get this line out the way. Oh man, this is good. Here we go. Now we're gonna turn him this. Just reel it in, please. I gotta get that fish. Oh, he got off. Oh, you guys gotta see this grunt, man. Pretty big. Oh, look at the size of that grunt. Look at the size of that grunt. That's a sandwich. Oh, this is a good one right here. Oh yeah, this is a real good one. That's a big white grunt right there. Wow. we go. Here we go. Look at this one. Look at that. The bigger ones are coming out. Huh?
Not bad.
Not bad. He's a good size.
Is it 12 footer?
Look at that so far. Got 2 crabs in there and some good sized grunts and 1 mojada for tomorrow.
Got crab.
Ta-da!
There you go.
Let him alone, dude.
It's getting ready to storm out here, right?
It is.
If you see lightning, grab the pole.
See lightning. I'm running.
Here we go. I got another one.
That's what on me. What a
No, because
Yeah, but I caught it.
because I couldn't do anything. I couldn't
All right, we decided to leave because it's going to storm in a minute. We did pretty good, so see you guys on the next one. Until next time.
Raw.